The following segment is sponsored by John Sports Center.
Hunting and fishing are two staples in the four-state area, and there's no place better to do your shopping than John Sports Center in Pittsburgh, winner of Finest Hunting and Fishing Store in the four states. And I'm here to congratulate Adam Gargaletti, the owner of John's. Congratulations, Adam.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it lots. It goes out to our customers, and especially our fourth-generation customers and all our employees that have been here forever.
Yeah, you mentioned fourth-generation customers, and that's because you have a long, cherished history here in Pittsburgh. So tell our viewers more about that history and how John's got its start.
Okay, so my grandpa was in World War II. He came home, then decided he needed a way to provide for the community, help the community back. So in 1955, he opened an Army surplus tent and provided the goods that were necessary for a family and for individuals to survive.
It's hard to believe that an Army surplus tent in 1955 has transitioned into what it is now, and it truly is an amazing store. So tell our viewers, if they haven't been here before, what they can expect when they come in.
So kind of the same theory that my grandpa started in 1955. We have equipment that'll last you a lifetime. So we're not just selling junk here, what chain stores would have. We have quality products from Sitka, Browning, Filson, high-end tackle like Falcon, all the major brands, but we try to always sort out what's the best. That way we provide it to you, you can use it, and technically it'll last a lifetime or until you lose it.
Yeah, and you mentioned to me off camera that it's not just about the hunting and fishing. You have apparel for work clothes and all sorts of things like that as well, correct?
Definitely. We have to keep the industry going. We have to keep the United States going, so we have a wide array of work boots, work clothing, ANSIT, so whether you're on the highway or in a factory, all the above, we're here for you. Work gloves. That's my favorite part of the store. It's easy to organize.
Absolutely. Adam, hey, congratulations again. Well-deserved. John Sports Center in Pittsburgh, winner of Finest Hunting and Fishing Store in the four states.
The preceding segment was sponsored by John Sports Center.